Hello, my name is Jimena Gomez. Today I will talk about the book It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. Brief biography of the author Colleen Hoover. Colleen Hoover is an American author born on December 11, 1979. In Sulphur Springs, Texas, she studied social work and worked in various jobs before fully dedicating herself to writing. In 2012, she self-published her first novel, Slammed, which went viral thanks to word of mouth on social media. Since then, she has become one of the most popular authors in contemporary romance, with numerous bestsellers that combine love, drama, and important social issues such as domestic violence, mental health, and forgiveness. Her emotional and direct style has touched millions of readers around the world. Book summary. It Ends With Us tells the story of Lily Blue, a strong, independent young woman who moves to Boston after her father's death. Although her relationship with him was complicated due to taboos and keen inflict on her mother, the experience deeply marked her. Lily is determined to start a new life and follows her dream of opening a flower shop. During this time, she meets Riley Kincaid, a confident and attractive nurse who openly admits his interest in serious relationships. Despite their difference, Lily and Riley develop a passionate relationship. However, as time passes, Riley begins to show violent and impulsive behavior that reminds Lily of the trauma she witnessed as a child. She starts to question whether she can accept or excuse his action, even when he apologizes and promises to change. Things become more complicated when Atlas Corrigan, her first love from her teenage years, reappears in her life. Atlas was a significant part of Lily's past and represents a healthier, more respectful kind of love. Lily finds herself in emotional strife between her love for life, her hope for a special family, and her personal promise not to repeat the cycle of her vows that her mother endured. The story takes us through Lily's thoughts, first and difficult decisions, showing that love alone is not enough without safety and respect. What I liked the most, what I liked the most was Lily's bravery as a child character. Throughout the novel, they show incredible emotional strength, especially when making hard decisions that many people are too afraid to make. I also really liked how the author used the letters Lily wrote to Ellen DeGeneres as a way to share her past in a journal and emotional way. The relationship between Lily and Atlas was also beautiful and gave hope for a better kind of love. Why I didn't like, what I didn't like was how painful it was to read certain scenes of abuse. Even though they are well written and important for the plot, they can be very hard for sensitive readers of the laws who have experienced something similar. I also felt that the relationship between Riley and Lily moved too quickly. In some parts, which might add a few little rushes in the Beijing. Though I recommend it. Yes, I definitely recommend this book, especially for readers who are interested in emotional stories that deal with real life situations. It's not a typical love story, it's a powerful and sometimes heartbreaking journey that teaches you about self respect, boundaries, and the thought to break harmful cycles from the past. Bibliographic information. Title: It Ends With Us. Author: Colleen Hoover. Publisher: Planeta. First published 2016 English, 2022 Spanish. Translation: Page 400. ISBN 9 7 8 6 0 7 0 7 8 8 1 1 6. Thank you for the attention.